Hello friends, in this final lesson, I will suggest saving the file we saved as PNG as a TIFF. When you save as TIFF, friends, as you can see here, you can save these files as 0, 0.3 TIFF, 0.05 TIFF, and 0.06 TIFF in this way. The same saving process, friends. When you come here, it's enough to select TIFF from the bottom part after pressing the disk icon in the V-Ray menu. When you save the TIFF, when you select it, friends, you can process this color concept, color, information, better in Photoshop. Now, I want to give a second tip, friends, in our final lesson. Now, regarding the texture information you use within the render engines I explained earlier, friends, try to use the texture sites I have provided to you as much as possible. The distinction here is this: whether it's the texture library you used from the Cosmos library, or the library you used from the Enscape library, or other render engines, friends, people and designers using this often use the same material from the same place, which makes the designs look similar to each other. To break out of that monotony, try to create more diverse works by downloading textures from the free model sites I showed earlier, friends. Many people use the ready-made textures available here. There is a situation I have experienced. Make sure to download your own textures from outside and try to use them in V-Ray, friends. This is valid for all render engines. I believe the information I provided is important. Good luck to everyone. If you want to ask questions via WhatsApp or other platforms, you can reach out to me, friends. On the homepage of our website, uselegitimesettler.com, there is a WhatsApp section. In situations where you can't find a solution, you can also contact me via WhatsApp, friends. Greetings and regards again. See you in other training sets. Goodbye. Love and respect, friends.